Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. Today, we will talk about the use of causative verb, let. First of all, let's define. What are causative verbs? Causative verbs are verbs that indicate that one person causes another person to do something for the first person. They are called causative verbs because they are action words that cause another thing to happen. It shows that somebody or something is indirectly responsible for an action. There are 5 causative verbs in English: let, make, have, get, help. In this video, we will discuss the use of let. Before discussing its uses, we will look at the structure, that how to use it in a sentence. Subject plus let plus person plus verb. For example, John let me drive his new car. Look at this example. First there is a subject, who is John. Then add, let, me, is a person. And then drive, is an action verb. The verb, let, has several different uses in English. First one is permission. When let is used in the context of permission, it means to allow or give permission for someone to do something. For example, let her cook food. It means, don't disturb her, or you can say, leave her alone, and allow her to cook food. Let me ride a bicycle. Here, maybe, a kid is asking permission from her mother to ride a bicycle. We also use let in negative sentences for telling that someone is not letting me or someone to do anything. For example, her mother did not let her to do makeup. They are not letting me clear my point. Second is, to suggest something. Let can be used to suggest or recommend something. For example, let's travel somewhere. It suggests that the speaker wants to go somewhere, and is inviting the listener to join them. Let's not talk about it. It suggests that the speaker wants to avoid a particular topic or discussion. Let me think about it. It suggests that the speaker is not immediately agreeing to something and needs time to consider it. In each of these examples, the use of let implies a suggestion or request without being forceful or direct. Third use of let is renting or leasing. The term let can be used to refer to the act of renting or leasing a property or asset to someone. In this context, letting typically refers to the process of making a property available for rent, while leasing typically refers to a more formal agreement between the owner and the tenant. For example, I'm looking to let my apartment to a responsible tenant who will take good care of the property. The landlord agreed to let us rent the house for a year, with an option to renew the lease at the end of the term. In this video, we have learned about the use of causative verb, let. In our next videos, we will discuss remaining causative verbs. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.